Right. So, this is my very glitchy and not yet perfected game about babies. If you ever wanted to be a baby, you know? So right now, your only goal is to stick the fork in the outlet, as most babies would try to do. That's pretty simple, level 0. The fork mechanics are pretty terrible, but what more can you do? That's really it. Oh yeah.